Hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel, and I would also say I am welcome back to my channel because it's been a very long time. Life happens, yes, so that is it. And I would say I miss everyone here, every of my subscriber and my potential or intending subscribers. And to the new subscribers, you're always welcome to my channel. Feel free and watch the beautiful videos I've previously dropped, and then the ones I've dropped afterwards, and the ones that I'm dropping right away. Going straight to the to this video, I'll be showing you the easy way you can apply your makeup, although it might be a little bit confusing, but it just need you to take your time and you'll be able to achieve it. And this is just a simple application of your makeup. You just apply every makeup product once and you do the blending. So in this video, I had already done the eyebrow and the eyeshadow video before, and I dropped it. You can check on my channel. And here I'm doing the full face makeup. I've done my skin prep already, and into the main thing of this video, I applied my bronzer, my contour, foundation, concealer, everything all together at once in this video. You have to just follow it step by step and you'll be able to get it. And here I started blending all the product together on the face. It seems like it looks maybe complicated, but really if you take your time to do this, you'll be able to get a very good look. And also it gives you good look like you would do on a normal basis, like applying the product one after the other. It will still give you exactly the same thing. It just depends on how you do the application and the process you take. So this is me blending in all the product together, and I just want you to watch this video to the end. Trust me, you'll be amazed with the outcome of this makeup. It looks like, you're not going to maybe be able to do this, but you can give it a try. Of course, you can give it a try. Nothing is really new about this. So you can just try this, and if you can give me a feedback on my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can just take some few seconds of your time. If you are yet to subscribe, now you can just click the subscribe button, and there you go. Thank you. can just take some few seconds of your time. If you are yet to subscribe, now you can just click the subscribe button, and there you go. Yeah, thank you.